3D printing in 2026 is faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. But with so many new models, advanced features, and bold marketing claims, choosing the right 3D printer can still feel confusing. That's why in today's video, I've carefully selected the 5 best 3D printers of 2026 based on real-world performance, print quality, speed, reliability, and overall value for money. Whether you're a serious hobbyist, designer, engineer, or small business owner, there's a machine here for you. All product buying links are available in the video description below. If you enjoy honest tech breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe and comment what topic you want me to cover next. Let's get started. Number 5. Forge AD5X. The Forge AD5X is a fast, versatile desktop 3D printer designed for makers who want speed, color printing, and consistent results without complicated setup. One of its biggest strengths is its multicolor printing capability, allowing you to print up to 4 colors simultaneously, which instantly elevates prototypes, decorative parts, and presentation models. Setup is simple thanks to one-click automatic bed leveling, ensuring a reliable first layer without manual adjustments. The Core XY motion system enables impressive speeds of up to 600 mm per second, with acceleration reaching 20,000 mm per second squared, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and fast iteration cycles. The AD5X features a 300°C direct drive extruder, interchangeable nozzles ranging from 0.25 mm to 0.8 mm, and a dual-channel cooling system that keeps details sharp even at higher speeds. Vibration compensation further improves surface quality, reducing ghosting on fast prints. Smart features include power loss resume, automatic filament feeding, and remote monitoring and control via the FlashMaker app, allowing you to manage prints conveniently from your phone or PC. Overall, the Forge AD5X delivers studio-grade quality with production-level speed in a compact, user-friendly package, making it a strong option for designers and serious hobbyists who want colorful, fast, and reliable output. Best for multicolor printing, fast prototyping, designers, and advanced hobbyists. Downside, limited to 4 colors compared to higher-end multicolor systems. Number 4. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is a powerful, large-format 3D printer built for serious multicolor production, speed, and material flexibility. Using Creality's CFS automatic material system, multiple units can be connected to unlock up to 16 color printing, eliminating the need for manual filament swaps or post-print painting. This printer is engineered for performance. High-speed step servo motors deliver acceleration up to 30,000 mm per second squared, while sustained 600 mm per second print speeds and a high-flow hot end ensure consistent output even on large models. The actively heated chamber expands compatibility to demanding filaments like ABS, ASA, PETG, and carbon fiber composites. Precision is handled by independent dual Z-axis auto-leveling, a rigid matrix frame, and linear rod support that keeps movement stable. 2 AI-powered cameras monitor prints in real time, detect errors, and automatically generate time-lapse videos. With advanced monitoring, high-speed output, and industrial-grade material support, the K2 Plus Combo is built for studios, engineers, and small businesses that need reliable multi-material production. Best for large prints, multicolor production, engineering materials, small businesses. Downside, large footprint and higher learning curve for beginners. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. This high-speed printer focuses on precision motion, automation, and easy multicolor printing, making it one of the most user-friendly printers in its class. The A1 delivers acceleration up to 10,000 mm per second squared, ensuring consistent layer alignment even at higher speeds. When paired with the AMS light system, multicolor and multi-material printing becomes straightforward, allowing clean filament swaps without manual intervention. Full auto calibration handles bed leveling and Z-offset automatically, while active flow rate compensation adjusts extrusion in real time for smoother surfaces and sharper details. A responsive touchscreen, quick swap nozzle system, and quiet stepper motors reduce downtime and simplify maintenance. Remote app and web control allow file transfers, live monitoring, and batch management from anywhere. The rigid chassis and thermal stability ensure reliable long prints, while power loss recovery prevents wasted material. This printer supports common engineering filaments, making it perfect for functional parts, prototypes, and small production runs. Best for high-speed precision printing, multicolor ease, makers and designers. Downside, smaller build volume compared to large format printers.
Number 2. Elgoo Centauri Carbon. The Elgoo Centauri Carbon is a ready-to-run Core XY 3D printer built for makers who want professional-grade, durable parts without complicated assembly. It arrives pre-assembled and pre-calibrated, allowing you to start printing almost immediately. Its 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume offers plenty of space for functional components, while the rigid die-cast aluminum frame minimizes vibration for clean results at speed. The Core XY system reaches up to 500 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, supported by a high-flow hot end and heated chamber. With a 320 degrees Celsius hardened steel nozzle and enclosed environment, the Centauri Carbon excels with carbon fiber filaments and engineering plastics. Advanced motion tuning like vibration compensation and pressure advance improves surface finish and first layer adhesion. Monitoring is easy thanks to a built-in chamber camera, LED lighting, and remote access. Additional features like filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and a dual-sided build plate make this a dependable daily use machine. Best for engineering materials, fast production, prosumers, and small workshops. Downside, less beginner-focused than fully entry-level printers.
Number 1. Kitty Plus 4. Taking the top spot is the Kitty Plus 4, a large format Core XY 3D printer engineered for serious production, high-temperature materials, and long-term reliability. With a spacious 12 by 12 by 11-inch build volume, it's built for large parts and batch printing. Its second-generation actively heated chamber uses a 400-watt heater, air circulation, and dual-layer insulation to maintain stable temperatures, essential for warp-prone materials. The powerful 80-watt hot end and multi-metal throat nozzle reach up to 370 degrees Celsius, supporting advanced filaments like PC, PA, PPSCF, and carbon composites. Workflow efficiency is a major highlight. Out-of-box setup takes minutes, while app control, HD camera monitoring, filament runout detection, warp detection, and automated time-lapses streamline production. Mechanical reliability comes from a dual-motor Z-axis, thick 6mm aluminum build plate, oversized linear shafts, and reinforced lead screws that minimize layer shift. Future compatibility with the KDI multi-filament system adds multicolor potential. This is a machine built for professionals who need size, strength, speed, and uptime. Best for large prints, high-temperature materials, professional and commercial use. Downside, premium pricing and overkill for casual users.
So those are the 5 best 3D printers of 2026, covering everything from compact multicolor machines to full production-grade workhorses. All product links are in the description below. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tech buying guides, and comment what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.